Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, May 20th, 2001, 10 a.m. My child, meditate. Are you not feeling well with us? Is it so difficult to isolate yourself, to make this effort to be with us? What else can we ask? You, when you cannot endure this body and you only aspire to leave it. You should continue. The moment has not come yet. No one can complete the remainder of your path in your place. You find it long, uncomfortable, and heavy. We cannot do anything about it. Be constantly thankful for the opportunity bestowed on you to make a success of your life by using this potential for us. Can't you agree to carry on your way? Is such an experience not an exciting one? Many people would like to leave it in your place. Life is short. Be a little patient. One day you will look back nostalgically to this period when each day of these contacts were uniting you with us. You are conveying our thought by aligning words which seem confusing to you sometimes. They are necessary, superfluous for some, right for others. They will be useful to all. Don't try to analyze, just continue to satisfy us with the same spirit. All has its raison d'etre. These messages exist and are starting a life which fervent hearts will be able to maintain. Babuji Maharaj. Tuesday, May 29th, 10 a.m. All the bustle around you had stopped. The channel is finally free, and we can start. Taste these moments of peace and communion. Let yourself be lulled by this melodious sound. Don't feel embarrassed. These comments are intended for all, as is the case every time. Each one can feel its effects in their own heart. An unremitting work has shaped your soul. The rigor in sadhana bears fruit. You cannot assess its extent. You feel different. You only aspire to rise up. The soul cannot stop on its way. The appeal is the strongest. It carries you always further along. This attraction accelerates with time. No one can resist it. Is there anything more beautiful, more exciting than this celestial union? It embellishes your days and makes you glide out of the time. This mystical life, which develops in one, may not change the face of the world, but it contributes to your radiance. Only God knows the reason for his choices. It is in the nature of things. When grace wins over a soul, it is a blessing for humanity. Babuji Maharaj.